next day, and we're gonna continue working on the Mustang, but a couple things. We are gonna be changing the color, so I do have to pick up the wrap. Also, these niche wheels I have to drop off to get refinished. I think that's gonna take more than a couple of days, but that's okay. That'll give us the couple days to wrap this thing. And then this $80 burnt exhaust tip that we bought from Canadian Tire. Just gonna bring this to Minute Muffler and have him welded onto the Mustang. And I think the fella is gonna be by later to help me out because I probably wouldn't be able to do this alone. I thank my friends. You guys know who you are. Let's get it. Not gonna lie, I kind of like how it sounds now. This exhaust tip isn't like super muffled, or it doesn't look like it anyway, but let's see how these guys do. Minute Muffler. I'm probably gonna have to leave the Mustang here, and I didn't really think of my way back, so. Alright, it said come back tomorrow because it's a little hectic today, so we'll just go drop off the wheels and pick up the wrap and start on the wrap. No rush on the exhaust. Let's go back to the garage. Bring one of these guys in. Urban X. Dope. Called in earlier. Oh, okay. Yeah, just to see if I can get a quote on these guys. Like I have the entire set in the back of the car. So.
This is corrosion, yeah, underneath the clear coat.
And yeah, so like I was saying, you see that little pattern, right?
Yeah.
I don't really care for that.
Would you want to change the whole finish of the wheel? That would probably be the easiest.
Yeah, just gonna leave these here at Urban X. We're gonna try to get rid of these spots, but it's better if we just get everything refinished and all one color. Finished our errands and keep working on prepping the body of the Mustang. This shouldn't take any longer than a couple of days. I mean, if we crush it today, maybe if we're really driven, we could actually all like take our own panels and everyone does their own body piece. So let's open this up and show you guys what color wrap we got. Boom. The color we're going with is Satin Green Apple. I think this is gonna look good on the Mustang. Why green, I wonder? Well, actually, I'm not being biased. Like, I love the color green, but I actually saw a 2005 Mustang. I actually think this lime green is a factory color. Mustang owners, correct me if I'm wrong. I just thought it would actually look really nice in this color. I was looking at wine reds, yellows, oranges, but I feel like this is gonna make for a really nice green Mustang, so let's go. Still gotta prep the body, but yeah, it shouldn't take too long. We're gonna continue spraying this rock guard shit with, it's called Rapid Remover, and I got this at the same place I picked up the vinyl wrap. This is what we used yesterday to get rid of the rock guard on the hood, and it actually did a really good job. Just let this stuff soak into the rock guard. And the idea is you can just pressure wash it off. We gotta get rid of all of that. We'll do our best, man. Like, fuck. I feel like this has been on here for a couple of years. Bro, I stopped by the nearby pho place. Oh, Corona. Okay, we're back in the garage. I stopped by the pho place nearby. Pick up some potent coffee. Yo, what up, Sonny? Perfect timing, bro. We continuing, but I picked up the wrap.
That's not the clean.
We're gonna wrap most of it green, but the roof we can wrap in this black that we have left over. I think at the very end, we might add in those generic Mustang stripes. I feel like it's gonna complete it. You a bad, you a beast. Make it easy to choose. You gotta make time. Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us. Sunny's here now helping out with the sanding. I am gonna start on the roof. There's just a couple of little tiny rust spots. So we're gonna chip away at these. And then maybe we can get started on the roof.
Virgin Radio and Kylie Roman, and there's a lot of BS and a lot of crap going on right now. I understand we're feeling some
Oh yeah,
type of way,
so far back, man. Fuck.
That means we shouldn't feel.
Burn.
Why you saying
Power
that?
shifting.
Such a big monster, man.
Do you even shift, bro?
Alright, brother. adhesive on the bottom of this spoiler is just very strong, so I suggest using a heat gun. And right now I'm just prying it. We're almost there. Oh, there. Beauty. Let's test out this green on the gas cap. Alright, sneak peek. Now, just envision the whole car. Alright, I'd say pretty good progress today, but it is getting late. I still gotta pick up the pupsters. Just crush it tomorrow and see how far we can get on wrapping the entire body. We'll continue tomorrow. And we're back. Got the fellas helping me sand the rest of the body. We can get started on the front fenders, the hood, and the trunk will be done today as well. It's just a matter of getting this rock guard off still.
Just some heat and pry it.
I'll rip it off anyway. Today we prep and wrap. We're gonna see what the Civic spoiler looks like on the Mustang. Like where are the mounting points even? What? That's so JDM, bro. What the hell? Yeah. It makes it so much more aggressive. We have the option.
So much harder than that.
Where's the... Yeah. No, we can keep it black. Serious?
Does it line up, Satin? I don't think so.
Alright, we completely finished. At least the hood. Alright, we still gotta replace the windshield washer nozzles, but this is a preview. It's actually kind of hard to see what green this is, but it might just be the camera settings. It's almost neon on camera. Thanks for waiting, Gohan. Yo. Let's see. The trunk is complete.
Yep.
Sweet, dude. Go.
Yeah,
Half done. right here, we are able to do in one piece. I mean, it gets tricky, but again, 3M and Avery wrap, like some of you guys know who have worked with this stuff, it's forgiving as long as you're patient and you just take your time with a little bit of finesse, you know? So yeah, in total that averages to about like 70, 80 feet. That's pretty much how much you need for a full car. And the Mustang's on the bigger side. I'm gonna tackle the front bumper. We gotta figure out how to reattach this. I don't even know how the side marker fell. I think it's time we throw on these louvers, really. Picked these up off eBay for like $100, I think, USD. Badass. Oh, thanks, dude. Nice. I kind of want to leave it in carbon fiber, but since that's carbon fiber, it's kind of giving me ideas to throw some carbon fiber accents all over the rest of the car. So maybe I'm gonna put some carbon fiber vinyl behind the door handle too. Dude, we were missing like a foot and maybe 3 inches. So we had to start from the other side, tack it down, and just stretch the entire thing. We're okay. All right guys, finished the wrap job. We decided on just completely going with black and also
decided to go convertibles.
Looks good from the back, man. Can we open the door and see this? Whose is this?
What's that, Shelby, bro?
Oh, damn. Alright, we're here at the garage, and Sonny's actually already here working on one of his customers' vehicles. We're not actually a service area, but I did promise Sonny that if ever we needed to sublet a space of our garage to somebody, he would be the first. And he actually works on cars for people. Sonny is one of the first FRS owners, other FRS owners that I met in Calgary. And this is his beast on stock wheels. Yo, what up, brother? So today's plan, just clean up the rest of the wrap, throw on some black accents, and hopefully do the stripes today too, and just finish this video. Looks good, dude. It's like cherry. Hello, doggy. High five, buddy. High five. High five, doggy. High five, doggy. High five, go home.
Found it. Not lick me. I mean, lick me.
Hello, doggy. Sweet. So I decided to tint the lights in the back. Let us attempt the Mustang stripes. What the hell? Jump behind you. But I'm gonna find a reference because I don't know how wide the stripes are supposed to be and also where to position them. I'm just gonna reference a Google image and hope for the best. See, I actually like this. So what I can do with this reference is just base it off of the lights in the front. And also this hood makes it easy to figure out where the center is because there's actually, it's like a triangle almost. Boom. All right, gonna make things easy for ourselves. not bad for a first attempt. And I think the gloss on the satin makes a nice contrast, looking more and more like a Mustang. And these fellas are helping me put on the door cards. Making the door handles black was a good choice too. Alright, peace out, bro. See you, Sunny. Sunny too. Okay, I think that's it. Let's actually end this video. These guys did work, but most of, I'd say like 95% of the Mustang is complete. We're just missing the wheels, the little drop on the new springs, and we still gotta reattach the exhaust. Other than that, guys, the entire Mustang is wrapped. I really like this carbon fiber accent we did right here. It's almost like the new Mustangs. Bruv, appreciate the help. Actually, no, we can't. Sorry, man. Actually, no, not even, man. There you go. All right, man. Oh yeah! Gohan Chow. I called him Goku this morning. So bad. No man, Gohan in the show grew up to be such a wuss. So sad. He went to school because his mom forced him. Chi-Chi. Like I rewatched some of the episodes when Gohan's young, and Chi-Chi is just like every other Asian mother, like forcing him to go through school and not follow his dreams or play with dragons. Whatevs. All right, guys. We're done. Let's end this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Kind of hard times without the Instagram, but actually, no, not really. Like I said, it's given me so much more time to myself, and I don't actually mind rebuilding. My other page was a little too much, man. You know, I turned off my notifications a long time ago, just because, first of all, data. My phone bill was more than your average tween, and we do have those spares, which I'm trying my best to keep up to date. And honestly, starting fresh doesn't seem like a bad idea. At this point, if you think it's too late to change yourself, I think the secret is you gotta learn how to unlearn, if that makes sense. Guys, we're out. If you want to get updated when new videos come out on this channel, hit the sub button with the notification button ticked, drop a like and leave some good vibes in the comments. We'll catch you guys on the next vlog. Peace.